Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your Spectrum cable box. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so if you're encountering issues with your Spectrum cable box, such as freezing, missing channels or error messages, here's a few different ways how to fix these issues. So the most simplest way is to do a power cycle on your box, so a simple reboot can often fix common issues. So on the back of your box, go ahead and unplug the power. Wait for about 60 seconds to allow the device to fully power down. Plug the power cord back in and wait for the box to reboot. This process may take a few minutes. We can also reset the box by using the Spectrum app on your smartphone. So open the Spectrum app and log in. Tap onto services, then select TV. Choose experiencing issues and follow the prompts to reset your equipment. Alright, another fix we can try is check for signal or wiring issues. So if you're experiencing issues like loss of picture or sound, freezing or even pixelation, the problem might be due to bad signals, wiring or an aging drop line. In such cases, it's advisable to contact Spectrum for a signal or drop line test. A technician may need to visit the access and resolve the issues. Another fix what we can try is make sure all the connections are secure on the back of the box and TV. We don't want any loose cables, they should be a nice firm fit.